Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you guys how to create WeChat account in 2024. At first, you need to download WeChat and then click on sign up. After that, you need to select which method you want to do. Let's say you click on sign up with mobile and then you need to put in your full name, what region you're from, your phone number and your password, and then tick this one and then click on accept and continue. After that, you need to click on I've read and accept the above terms and then click on next. From there will be a security verification, so click on authenticate and then you just slide this until the puzzle is completed, and then you need to verify your mobile, which means they will send you a code and you need to enter that code over here, and then they'll also verify your email, so you need to check your email and then put in the email code. After that, what you need to do is enable all of the services like channels. If you want the stories, search, mini programs, game, click on done, and finally you'll be able to access WeChat, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.